Then today we are going to learn standard 10th subject maths 1, that is a chapter number 3rd, that is a arithmetic progression. So arithmetic progression we have to say AP. Now what is arithmetic progression? A sequence in which the difference between any two consecutive terms, that means what, tn plus 1 minus tn, is a fixed number. Fixed number means what, constant number, is called the arithmetic progression, that is a AP. For example, here 2 4 6 8 10, so this is a what, sequence. Okay, now what is the consecutive terms means what, this is the first term, this is the second term, so this is a known as a t1, this is a t2, next t3, next t4, continue. Now if we find the difference, that means what, t2 minus t1, 4 minus 2 is a what, 2, 6 minus 4 is a what, 2, 8 minus 6 is a what, 2. So this 2 is a known as a what, fixed number or constant number. So that is a known as a arithmetic progression or AP. Now the fixed number is called the common difference of the AP. So common difference, it is denoted by the D. How to find out the common difference? That is a formula T2 minus T1. So 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is what? 2. Now next number is a what? 4 and 6. That means 6 minus 4. That is a what? 2. So this one is known as a what? Common difference. Now we are going to study practice set 3.1. Question number 1. Which of the following sequence are the AP? AP means what? Again arithmetic progression. If they are the AP, find the common difference. Now here what is the question is given? 2, 4, 6, 8, and this means what? Afterwards numbers are there. Now first you can decide. First number is a what? We have to known as a T1. Now second T2. Third number T3. Next T4. Now here first write down T1 is a 2, T2 is a 4, T3 number is a 6, T4 number is a 8. Now next step we find out the common difference. Common difference means what? That is a fixed number. That is a constant number. What is the formula for that? T2 minus T1. So what is the T2? 4. T1 is a 2. So 4 minus 2. That is a 2. Now T3 minus T2. T3 is a what? 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is a what? Again this one is a 2. Next T4 minus T3, that is a 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 is a what? 2. So what we got? Here is a 2. Now this one is a 2 and here is a also 2. That means this number is a constant. So what is the common difference? 2. So how to write the answer? The difference between any two consecutive term is a constant. Therefore the given sequence is an AP. So if we find out if the two consecutive terms is a constant, that is here what? 2. So right, therefore the given sequence is an AP. AP means what? Arithmetic progression. And the common difference D is equal to, what is the D value here? 2. So write the D value is a, to the question number 3, minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2. Here first term is what? T1. T1 decide minus 10, T2 is a minus 6, T3 is a minus 2, and the T4 is a 2. If you want, you can write the here also T1, this is a T2, this is a T3, this is a T4. Now then try to find out the D value. What is the formula? T2 minus T1. So what is the T2? Minus 6. Write the minus and this one write down in a bracket. That is a why, because here is a minus sign. Now try to solve. Minus minus is a what here? Plus 10. So minus 6 plus 10. What we will get? 10 minus 6. That is a 4. Similarly find a T3 minus T2. T3, what is the value? Minus 2. Write the here minus in the bracket minus 6. Minus minus is a what? Plus 6. 6 minus 2 is a what? 4. Again t4 minus t3. What is the t4 value? 2. Here is a minus, here is a what? Minus. So if we solve inside, minus minus plus, minus 2 plus 2, there is a what? Here is a equal to sign, this one is a plus 2, and here minus minus plus 2. So 2 plus 2 is a what? Again 4. So what to write here? All here is a d value is a constant, that means what? Same. So write down, therefore the difference between any two consecutive terms is a constant. So therefore the given sequence is an AP, and the common difference is a 4. Why? Because d value is a 4, so we have to write common difference d is a 4. Now come to the next question, that is the fourth one. Here is a what given? 0 0.3, 0 0.33, 0 0.333. Now this one is a what? Write the T1, this one is a T2, this one is a T3. Now here write the dash dash. Now here what is the T1 value? 0 0.3, T2 value 0 0.33, T3 0 0.333. Now try to find out the D, that is a common difference. What is the formula? T2 minus T1. So 0 0.33 minus 0 0.3. How do we have to do it? The minus, now see here, right here 0 0.33, and this one is a minus sign right here, and the 0 0.3. Here is a one digit. If not any digit, so you can write down the 0. Now try to subtract. 3 minus 0, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. And put here point. Here is a what? 0. So what we got? 0 0.03. Similarly, we find out the T3 minus T2. What is the T3 value? If you want, write here 0 0.333. Now this one subtract, minus 0 0.33. Again here no value, write down the 0. Now subtract. 3 minus 0, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. And here put the 0. That means 0 0.003. Now see, this one is a 0 0.03. Here is a what? 0 0.003. So this both are not a same, not a constant. So what to write? T3 minus T2 is not is equal to T2 minus T1. That means this value and this value is a not a constant, not a same. So what to write? The difference between any two consecutive terms is a not a constant. Therefore, the given sequence is not an AP. Now your homework is a what? Question number 1, 2nd, 4th, 6th, 7th and 8th. Thank you very much.